Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can create jazz music in Suno. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com, and the first thing you're going to want to do is you can head home, and you have an option here on the front home page. So if you started in the home page and you see this, you can go ahead and just describe the song you want to make and hit create. You can use the randomized button here to just kind of create random suggestions, or you probably want to go to the create section here on the left hand side in the main menu. So here we've got our options up at the top where it says simple and advanced, depending on what you're looking for. If you already have the lyrics, then you're going to want to come to advanced, and you can write in your lyrics. And also, if you have your own music, you can come here to audio, and let's say you've already created your own jazz music and you want to maybe remaster it, spruce it up, do something with it, maybe get the instrumental and play along with it. You can come here and upload your audio, or you can record. So you can get a lot of really cool stuff from that. But if you just have simple needs, then you might want to just go to the simple section and just say jazz, and maybe the kind of jazz that you're looking for. Chill, piano, sax, something simple like that. So here we have our instrumental option. If you want to have lyrics with it, you can. If you want to make that an instrumental, which I do, we're going to go ahead and select that, and then we're going to hit create. And then boom, there we go. We are now creating our song, and that's going to take a moment to finish, but it actually gets going pretty quick. In the meantime, Moonlit Sax Walks, if you want to take a look at that, head over to our Discord and you can see it there. So anything that we've done here on the show, you can come over to the Discord. We'd be happy to have you. We're sharing a lot of different stuff there, mostly with the focus on animation, but we've got a lot of other cool things like music and different things like that. So head over to our Discord. You can check that out. But here we are in Suno, and we've got Moonlit Sax Walks. Let's go ahead and take a listen. Not bad, huh? Not bad. Really kind of cool. If you've got a certain vibe that you're looking to try to go for, then this is a lot of fun. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree there. You'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Use our referral code SKILLCRAFT60 to get 60% off your first month subscription. Also, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link and you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. It comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.